Welcome students. Once again we will see homogeneous equation in the last lecture, pair of straight lines, and in this lecture we will see general second degree equation. Myself is Dr. Amanpreet, Khalsa College Patiala, and this video is meant only for education purpose. General second degree equation. So general second degree equation, condition that the most general second degree equation in x and y represents a pair of lines. So student, in now we see that in last lecture we see what is the homogeneous second degree equation and how they represent pair of straight line. But in this lecture we see that what is the condition that the general degree equation, general second degree equation represents a pair of straight line. So article is to find the necessary condition that the general equation of second degree. General equation of second degree is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 may represents a pair of lines. Hanji, proof. Let the lines be lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 and l dash x plus m dash y plus n dash is equal to 0. So then these this general equation is equivalent to the product of these two linear equation lx plus my plus n into l dash x plus m dash y plus n. So on comparing the coefficient of various term on both sides, then x square, coefficient of x square is equal to ll dash. That means a is equal to ll dash, b is equal to mm dash, and c is equal to n and dash. So 2h is equal to l m dash plus l dash m, 2f is equal to m n dash plus m dash n, and 2g is equal to l n dash plus l dash n. Here student, be very careful when we multiply right hand side and comparing the coefficients, we got this one. By multiplication we got 8 2g 2f 2g 2h, and we've got 8fgh is equal to, yes, l m dash plus l dash m into m m dash plus m dash n into l n dash plus l dash n. And on multiplying these three factor we got 2abc plus a into f 4f square minus 2bc plus b into 4g square minus 2ac plus c into 4h square minus 2ab. That means a plus b plus c plus 2fgh minus a f square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. So this can be written in another form also. Note, if h square a is equal to ab, then the point of intersection is at infinity, and as such the two lines would be parallel. So this condition ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is also written in the determinant form. So let's see this determinant. Find the equation of the line through the origin and parallel to the lines given by. The Crowley is find the equation of line through the origin and parallel to the line this. So we want to find equation of parallel lines which passes through origin. Let the equation of the line through the origin is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 and l dash x plus my dash plus m dash y plus n dash is equal to 0. Since it passes through the origin, that means n is equal to 0 and n dash is equal to 0, and the joint equation is multiplication of these two. And when we multiply, we got just compare it with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So I got l dash plus l m dash plus l dash m into xy plus m dash into y square is equal to 0. This is the equation of lines through the origin and parallel to the given line. Now find the angle between the lines. This article we already done in the previous lecture. Find the angle between homogeneous second degree equation, and here we have find the angle between the general second degree equations, pair of general second degree equation, and this is very important article. Proof, the equation of the line is this. The equation of the line through the origin parallel to them is just we put this term is equal to 0, and we got ax square plus 2hxy plus by is equal to 0. Let theta be the angle between the lines given by this first equation, and tan theta is equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab over a plus b. Then theta is equal to tan inverse. Student, note it very carefully. Theta is equal to tan inverse 2 into under root h square minus ab over a plus b. Now see the example. For what value of lambda does the equation 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square plus 11x minus 5y plus lambda is equal to 0 represents two straight lines? Show that if equation represent two straight lines, the angle between them is tan inverse. So here we want to find the value of lambda by showing that this represents a pair of straight line, and then we want to find the angle between the straight lines. So here a is equal to 12, h is equal to minus 5 because 2h is equal to minus 10. So b is equal to 2, g is equal to 11, g is equal to 11 by 2, f is equal to, and c is equal to. And when we put in 2, this line represents a pair of straight line. This second degree equation represents pair of straight line. If this determinant a, b, c, f, g, h is equal to 0, that means ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. So I put the values of ABC, FGH. When I put all these values and C is equal to lambda, so I got values of lambda, and lambda is equal to 2. It's just simple simplification is there, so we got lambda. And how we find the theta? Theta is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, the formula is 2 into root h square minus ab over a plus b. So I put the value of h, I put the value of a, I put the value of b. So 2 into minus 5 square, that is 25, minus 24, that is 1, by 12 plus 2, that is 14, 2 by 14, 1 by 7. So theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 7. Another question, example 2. Just see, prove that the equation 2x square plus 7xy plus 3y square plus 8x plus 14y plus 8 is equal to 0 represents two straight lines. Find their points of intersection and angle between them. So now we want to find points of intersection. So for point of intersection, we required the equations of line, two lines. And it's a different story from the last lecture. How it's different? For if we want to find that this second degree equation represents straight line, we can apply that method. But if we want to find the point of intersection also, then we proceed like this way, which is a quadratic equation: 2x square plus 7xy plus 3y square plus 8x plus 14y plus 8 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in x and can be written as this form. This form is there. So how to solve this? Student, you may opt that this equation is quadratic equation in y also. So instead of x, you can take y also, and the same procedure remains same. And here x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, and in that case the result remains same, and we take y as equal to this. So x is equal to, and simplify this. When we simplify this, we got x is equal to minus y minus 4 by 2 and 1, and second is minus 3y minus 2. So x is equal to minus y minus 4 by 2 and x is equal to minus 3y minus 2. On simplify, on taking 2 to this side and shifting this side, I got 2x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. And on simplification of these two equations in any method, whatever method you know, we got the point of intersection. And if we got the point of intersection, the second part is angle between them. And what is m here? M is equal to minus coefficient of x over coefficient of y. And similarly, m dash is equal to here. So m1 is equal to minus 2 and m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, and tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2, and on substituting these values I got tan theta, that is equal to 1, so theta is equal to 45. Another question, find the angle between the pair of straight lines represented by this. Also find the equation of pair of straight lines parallel to the line and passing through the point. So one more condition is there. Now the lines, we want to find the angle, we want to find the pair of straight lines, and we want to find the parallel lines which passes through 1 and 2. So what we do, again the procedure remains same. What is A, what is H, what is B, and tan theta, first part is angle between the two lines. So tan theta is equal to this, theta is equal to 45. So I put the value of H, A and B, and I got the value of this. Now for the lines, find the pair of straight lines. So I represent this equation as a quadratic equation in X and simplify it. When simplify it, I got the value that is X is equal to 2y minus 9 and X is equal to minus 3y plus 2. Just simple quadratic equation जिस तरह से solve करते हैं. And second line is X plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0, and first line is X minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. And now find the equation of pairs of straight lines parallel to these and passing through this, parallel to these. So next part is equation parallel to this. First line is X minus 2y plus k, and equation parallel to second line is X plus 3y plus n. And now we pass through these two equations into 1 and 2. When we passes through 1 and 2, I got k is equal to 3 and L is equal to minus 7, and substituting these two, we got the equation of new lines which is parallel to the given pair of equation and passes through 1 and 2. So this is a joint equation. Another question, prove that the general equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents two parallel straight lines if h square is equal to ab and bg square is equal to af square. Prove also that distance between them is 2 into under root g square minus ac over a into a plus b. So the question is very easy. The given equation is there. So let it represents two parallel lines. Then we have lx plus ny plus n is equal to 0 and lx plus ny plus n dash is equal to 0. And identically the product of these two is equal to the given equation. Comparing the coefficient, I got a, I got b, I got c, I got h, I got g and f. So h square is equal to L square m square, and L square m square is equal to AB. So this BG square is equal to B means m square, G means this one L into n plus n dash by 2 whole square. On simplifying this, I got BG square is equal to AF square, nothing else, because L square is common, m plus n dash by 2 whole square. So m into n plus n dash by 2 becomes this f. So f square, b g square is equal to af square. So next one is the distance between parallel line is equal to n minus n dash over L square plus m square, and then we put the values n plus n dash and n dash. So we got this answer. Now next is the exercise. How to solve this question? Find the value of h so that the equation may represent the two straight lines. A simple AB square, ABC plus the condition we apply here, and we got the value of h. Similarly, the second question, prove that this equation represents a pair of straight line. Find the points of intersection and angle between them. So I have done this example. How to find first of all represents a pair of straight line, or simplify with the quadratic equation, and you got similarly the other ones. So students, this is the exercise. I advise to all of you, do all these questions. If you find any difficulty, you can discuss with me anytime. Thank you.